Hey guys, welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. Today we're going to be making a calla lily. It's a very streamlined, very fancy looking kind of flower, but it's also really simple to draw. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start vertical. We're going to come in the middle of the paper, and we're just going to make a curve like a smiley face. Alright, once you have that curve, we're going to go and we're going to make a triangle with a curved top. Almost like a tall candy corn. Alright, now from the middle of that candy corn, we're going to come and circle around, up, wave just in a little, and then out. Alright, very good. Now we're going to come and take this line around to the right. So we're going to make a point. Then we're going to take this line around, keep going past like you were making a spiral, and then we're going to fold it back. Alright, now we're going to make the big bottom of the flower. So I'm going to touch right here in between that bottom floppy part of the petal. I'm going to come down. Alright, now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to come right as I pass the curve of that spiral, and I've come down. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get my stem by using two parallel lines. And then calla lilies have these big leaves, so I think it'd be really nice to add that in there. So from about the middle of my stem, I'm going to come up, curving right, and curve back up. Now I'm going to go down the side and I'm going to curve down. I'm going to kind of wave a little bit to make it look like it's bending. Alright, and then I'm going to get one long line up the middle to show that segmentation. Okay, my next flower leaf, I'm going to make it go behind this. So I'm going to start at the bottom line this time. I'm going to come out and up, and then I'm going to wave back. Alright, and now I'm going to come and get that segmentation once again so that I can see how my leaf is divided down the middle. Now, if you'd like to add a little bit of detail, you can show how the middle of the flower has this great texture. It's got little bumps for the pollen. Very, very modern looking. Alright, so this one's pretty easy to Sharpie because all you're going to do is go over the lines, and there's not really any tricky lines in this one. Now, if it's me, I am going to make sure that when I do the center lines for this lily, that I do them in a thin Sharpie or a thin pen. That way you can get the difference of weight in the line, and also it won't be quite as cluttered and confusing. If you don't have one, then that's okay. You could maybe do it with a different color of crayon when you add color, or you might even just decide you don't need them, that you want it to be very streamlined and you'd like it to be smooth. And that's totally fine. That is your call. This is your drawing. You are working on getting better at steps, not necessarily on call for the next big exhibition at the MoMA. So don't sweat it. You are going to be doing great. Alright, there are lots of pictures of calla lilies if you research them. A lot of people see them at Easter. And hey guys, I will see y'all next time in our next video. Bye!